Today is a very special day.
Yes. It is Tuesday.
Oh, it is also garbage day.
Stop. Think carefully.
I am thinking. It is a nice day outside.
Stop. Think harder.
Oh, is the electricity bill due today?
I cannot believe you. It is my birthday.
Of course, I knew that.
Then why did you say garbage day?
I was just joking with you.
You forgot completely.
I did not forget. I was planning a surprise.
What surprise?
A very big one. Huge.
Where is it?
It is coming.
Coming from where?
From the shop.
Which shop?
A very good shop.
You are making this up right now.
No.
I ordered something very special for you.
Really? What did you order?
It is a surprise.
I do not believe one word.
Happy birthday, my love.
Now you remember.
I always remembered. Deep inside.
Very deep. Underground deep.
But I still love you.
You are lucky.
Can I get a birthday kiss at least?
After the surprise arrives.
It is not coming, is it? Happy birthday.
We hope you had fun learning English with us today. Don't forget to subscribe.